Hello, today I'd like to show you how to find ASTM standards. From the library's homepage, click on the Databases tab. Use the shortcuts to scroll down to ASTM Compass. The easiest way to find a standard is if you know the number. Then you can type the number into the search box. As you're typing, it will search for the standard you're looking for. You can click on it from that drop-down or click the search button. When the standard loads, you'll see in the upper left-hand corner whether it's active or withdrawn. It will immediately load a PDF version for you to read, or you can switch to the HTML version. If you want to keep a copy of the standard, you can download it from the top of the screen. If you want to see previous versions, click on Other Versions. And if you need to know the subcommittee that created it or what volume it's in, that can be found under Document Details. Another way to find the standards from the home page is to start under Subscriptions and then select ASTM. From here, you could search using the search box, or you can go to the Book of Standards. You can browse through the book. You can scroll to the left-hand side and use the filters to help you narrow down on which standard you'd like. And that's how to find ASTM standards. If you have any questions, please ask us.